Hello guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a few tips to do if you cannot find a Bluetooth accessory on the Ulefone Armor 17 Pro. So when I have a problem with my headphones, I'm always starting from the simplest way, just restart. So open the top menu, just switch off your Bluetooth connection and switch it on again to restart it. You can also try to restart your phone by holding the power button and choose restart. That is for the start. Now you have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory is visible for other devices and you activated Pair mode before. How to do it you will find in the manual instruction or maybe on your YouTube channel. In my case I have to click 3 times this button, sometimes you have to push the button for 50 seconds for example, so you have to check it by yourself. So if you're sure that your Bluetooth accessory is visible for other devices but still not on your phone, you can go to the Bluetooth settings again and just change your device name. Try to change them, click on the rename, look for your device again. In next step, you can go to the settings and slide down to the system. Now choose reset options. And you can see there you have network settings with Bluetooth included. So tap on it, choose reset and tap on it again. Then look for the device again. You can also try to update your system. If you have any update, just download it and install, then look for your device. And the last recommendation from me, check your phone and your Bluetooth accessory on other Bluetooth device to check which one making a problem here, which one is visible, which not. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe, comment, and goodbye.